Welcome to Crescent Lake Tower, where luxury and innovation meet in perfect harmony. At Grain Exito Concrete, we are proud to announce a significant milestone in Phase 2 of this extraordinary project. Our dedicated team has just completed the 7th slab. And now, we are setting our sights on the future, construction of the 4th floor columns. With a commitment to quality and precision, we are building more than just floors and columns. We are creating a masterpiece. Crescent Lake Tower, where luxury living meets state-of-the-art technology. Your future home and business space await. Stay tuned for more updates on this remarkable project. Crescent Lake Tower, where dreams rise.